Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudeaz. So for today's video, I'll be making some cornmeal porridge with banana and plantain. Right now, I'm just preparing the water for my porridge. Stay tuned. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using today for my porridge. First, I have the Betty sweetened condensed milk. This is what I'm going to use to sweeten the porridge. I have the cornmeal, and this is the refined one I'm using, so you don't have to sieve your cornmeal. I have cinnamon. I have rose and almond. This is great for when you're doing your cakes and your pastries, and very nice flavor for when you're doing your porridge. I have the almond flavor. I have nutmeg. I have coconut milk. I have some butter. I have Benjamin's vanilla. Also, I have 2 green banana and 1 plantain. So these are everything that I'll be using, and of course I'll be using salt. So the banana and the plantain is peeled and they're cut up into small pieces. I'm just going to wash and then blend. So this is what it looks like when it's blended. And as you notice, there are no lumps or bumps. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add 2 cups of cornmeal to this and mix. So this is 1 cup of cornmeal. Just going to mix it around. No, you cannot taste it. This is not cooked as yet. I'm just mixing it around first. I'm going to pour the other one. Alright, so now I'm going to add a little water because this is too thick. Gonna mix this, and this is cold water I just used. If you were supposed to use hot water, it would start getting lumpy. So I'm just going to mix this out until there is no lumps, until it's smooth. Alright, so I want to add some more water. Trying to record while I'm doing this. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it. So I've finished mixing it out, and this is what it looks like. No lumps. Very smooth. Ready to be poured in the boiling pot of water. Right. So now the pot is boiling. I'm just going to drop that's the rose and almond sauce. I love it, so yeah. I'm going to add some vanilla and just stir and pour in my mixture. So the secret when making porridge, you have to continue stir. Is in, so we have to continue stirring so that you don't get any lumps. So now I'm going to add my butter, and this will melt right in, and also some salt. This is salt that already. Not salt in it. I'm just gonna mix this. So it's smooth. Now I'm going to add my cinnamon powder and nutmeg. This is the cinnamon powder, and that is the grated nutmeg. Now see, porridge looking rich and thick and nice. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. So what I did was to add some water and just mix this. Looks delicious, and it's not even finished as yet. So now this is finished. I'm going to go ahead and sweeten with my Betty condensed milk and also maybe 2 spoons of brown sugar. Alright, this is finished, but it's still bubbling. So pouring in the Betty milk. Then I'm just going to and 1 spoon of sugar. All right, there we go. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Let me know which other recipes that you'd like to see me prepared. So in true Jamaican style, I just added some Jamaican Excelsior crackers. So thank you for watching.